Hello friends, I hope all is good. Let us together explore the term detox water.
If you also have any one of the following question related to detox water, then you are on the correct video. Let us explore each question one by one. Detox water. You might be thinking water alone has capability to detoxify the body. What is the purpose of adding term detox to it? Yes, you are correct. Water has capability to detoxify the body, but by the infusion of few nutrients, we do increase its cleaning capabilities. So some people started calling this infused mixture as detox water. How do we make this fancy water known as detox water? There are various ways to make it. Based on your needs, you could choose anyone. One way could be take some water, add finely chopped lemon, ginger, turmeric, mint and tulsi leaves to it. Put this mixture for 8 hours for proper infusion. Post that, we could start consuming the infused water, which is known as detox water. One important point, prefer to use glass or earthen pots for making this detox water. Similarly, we could make other combinations also as shown in the screen, like lukewarm water and amla, water plus cucumber, water and fenugreek, and many more. Although process of making this detox water is very simple, but if you want to watch detailed video, then we will add the link in the description. What is changed in the water by this process? We have observed that we are putting fruit, herbs and other items in the water. It will cause infusion of whatever water-soluble components present in the respective ingredients. Like citrus fruits will transfer vitamin C in the water. Similarly, flavors and colors are also infused. In summary, mainly following content as shown in the screen are infused in the water. Now, we want to understand what is the impact of this detox water. As we know, consuming lukewarm normal water post few hours of meal helps in the digestion. Similarly, taking normal water 1 hour before the meal also increase the metabolism. Detox water is also water, which is infused with some additional nutrients. It will also act in the same way. Our body pH is 7.35 to 7.45, means basic. Although citrus fruits are acidic, but studies have shown that they have alkalizing effect. So indirectly, this detox water helps liver and kidney in maintaining the good pH. In addition to that, 60% of our body content is water. So consuming approximately 2.6 liter a day is recommended. Now we might be thinking, should we consume detox water? Or why should I consume the detox or infused water? Do we really need? So here are a few points. As we know, excess of anything is not good, but 3-4 times in a month should be okay. In case you are facing any problem, please consult doctor and stop consuming this infused drink. Many times, drinking plain water might be boring or monotonous. So by infusing the water, we can add flavors and taste in the water. So it helps in breaking that monotonicity. Also adds other motivation for drinking water. Sometimes we want to boost antioxidants like vitamin C in the water, and due to medical condition, we don't want to consume complete fruits as provided by nature, or we are following some special diet in which complete consumption is not suitable. In such cases also, we can opt detox water. Certain fruits and herbs don't have very good taste, or if consumed in the raw form, or have very high concentration of certain nutrients, which might not suit our body. Like tulsi has mercury, so we cannot. It is suggested to avoid consuming or chewing raw tulsi leaves, but it is advised to put them in water for some time and then drink the water. Similarly, amla, ginger, and fenugreek might not taste that great if consumed in raw form. In such cases also, this infused water is a good choice. But last, very important point, please try to consume all the ingredients that are used in making or utilize them. Otherwise, you will be only consuming the water-soluble nutrients and throwing out rest of the nutrients. It might not be that efficient or beneficial. In this slide, we have mentioned all the points that are covered in the video. This slide will help you in recalling. We hope that we have added some value to your time. Thank you for watching.